ng meet namin sa Sydney, muntik pang hindi kami magkita. O
Yeah.
sige, kwento mo paano?
Yun nga. After nung... Hindi, bago pa kami nag-meet actually, nung nag-start na siya mag-message sa akin sa Facebook, yun, lagi niya na ako mini-message doon. Tapos, kwentuhan, ganyan. Parang magkaibigan, ganon. Kasi I was not really entertaining anyone. Nung sinabi niyang Filipino, sabi ko, ayoko ng Pinoy. Parang and then here I am, I ended up with him. Yeah, so it's funny. But no regrets. Yeah.
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 Wow.
Small world.
Wow, what a beautiful love story.
Yeah,
Talagang simula pa lang, no? Na, it was
Yeah.
fate.
No, we
It
met
was fate.
3 times
Diba?
and then we got married after.
Correct.
So we met
Wow.
December. January nagpunta ako
March,
ng Dubai.
nag-propose ka. Then March, nag-propose
Ano
ka.
lang kami, nag-meet. And
Congratulations.
then May, nagpakasal kami sa Hawaii. And we only seen each other for like 4, 5 times, right?